Welcome to this video about social media videos and why they're so crucial for growing your business in 2023. In today's digital world, social media videos have become a powerful tool for businesses to reach their audience and promote their brand. In this video, we will explain what social media videos are and how they can benefit your business. So let's get started. First things first, what are social media videos? Social media videos are short video clips that are created and shared on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok. These videos are designed to capture the attention of your viewers quickly, convey a message or story, and then promote your brand. Why are social media videos important for growing your business in 2023, you might ask? Well, first of all, they're highly engaging. Social media videos are more engaging than other forms of content like text or images. People are more likely to watch a video than read a long post or article. This means that social media videos can help increase the reach and engagement of your brand. They can increase brand awareness. By creating and sharing social media videos, you can increase brand awareness among your target audience. Videos are a great way to showcase your products or services and show how they can benefit your customers. Next, they can drive traffic to your website. Social media videos can be used to promote your company's website. By including a call to action at the end of the video, you can encourage viewers to visit your website and learn more about your business. So in a short form social media video, you can give a viewer a taste of the value that you can bring and then send them back to your website to get more information and find out the whole thing. Next, you can connect better with your audience. Social media videos are a great way to connect with your audience on a personal level. By sharing behind the scenes videos or showcasing your team, you can build trust and loyalty with your customers. So you may be asking, how do I make the best social media videos for my business? Well, here are some tips for creating effective social media videos. Keep it short and sweet. Social media videos should be short and to the point. Aim for your videos to be 60 seconds or less. Next, use captions. 80% of people watch videos on social media without sound turned on. So you should include captions to ensure your message is received. Also, you should always use high quality visuals, like animations and 4K video footage. That'll make your videos stand out from the rest and really show that you are a quality brand or business. Next, be creative. Don't be afraid to get creative with your social media. Use animations, special effects, music, anything to grab someone's attention. Lastly, you should always format for full screen. You should format for the specific social media platform where you're uploading your content. For example, Instagram Reels or TikTok is displayed vertically, so you should always create vertical, aka portrait video, to take up as much screen real estate as possible. Alternatively, on YouTube videos like this one, videos are viewed horizontally, so you should deliver in that format to maximize value. So there you have it. Social media videos are a powerful tool for businesses looking to grow in 2023. By creating engaging, informative videos, you can increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, and connect better with your audience. Remember to keep your videos short and sweet, use captions, and be creative. We also understand that most businesses don't have the time and energy to consistently be creating videos for their brand. And if that sounds like you, then go ahead and check out my social media video production agency, Wake and Make Media. We specialize in making high quality social media videos for brands and businesses that are specifically designed to maximize value and bring in new customers. Check us out at wakeandmakemedia.com.